Hi guys, Stitch Family here, and today we're watching fireworks.
What? You're gonna post on what?
YouTube.
Fireworks on YouTube?
Yeah. Wrong way.
She sounds like a kid.
It's America.
America Pride. Haha. I saw the new Independence.
Oh my god. Your friend keeps texting, dude. It's like the most annoyingest thing in the world.
I want to see his text.
No, you cannot.
Why not?
My brother's friend keeps texting, and it's like I'm recording a video, and it's like I try to.
High quality.
Ow!
Oh my god. Get the top of my case.
Look at the top of my case. Nothing. Yeah. My case is boring. Yeah, your case is a lot bigger than mine. That's for sure.
You're getting a promotion.
Marmite. You're getting a promotion. Marmite.
Okay, now you're fired.
Whoa!
Nope. Whoa.
Beautiful.
Good thing it's only 2.
What? The smoke looks like a heart. I'm gonna roll my way. Oh God! That scared the death out of me.